Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO Discord tutorial. On our last tutorial video, we showed you how to create a Discord account. So today, I'll be taking you on how to set up a Discord server from scratch, and also I'll be showing us how to configure our server settings. So you'd ask, what is a Discord server? A Discord server simply is a dedicated space for you and your community to connect, co-create, engage, and also learn. Discord has a built-in feature that helps us create top-notch servers. So of course, we have to launch our Discord app. I click on my Discord. And it brings me here. So to create a Discord server, what you have to do is click on the plus symbol on the left hand side of the page. So I click on the plus symbol, I click on create my own, I click on for a club or a community. Since we are creating the server for a community, you could also create the server for you and your friends, but for this tutorial video we'll be creating a server for a community. So I click on for a club or a community, I give my server a unique name. Let's call this SMC DAO tutorial. I'll upload an image of my choice. I save it and I click on create server. So this is your unique invite link for the server, but we won't be needing this for this tutorial video. So I'll click on skip. And we have our server set up and our server is ready. So next up, I'll be showing us how to configure the server settings. So to do this, you click on the SMC DAO tutorial on the top of your screen. I click on it. I click on my settings. I click on enable community under the community tab. I click on get started. And of course you have to toggle this on. I click on next. You click on next too. So I toggle this on too, and I agree to the terms and condition of creating a Discord server, and you finish the setup. So next up you click on save, and then you go back to the home page where you have this. So on our next tutorial video, we'll be showing you how to create a Discord channel, maybe varieties of channels. So basically, that's the process in which a server is created and configured. So on our next tutorial video, we'll be showing you how to create channels. Do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell for more educative content. Thank you.